Alright, so today I'm going to be reviewing Gurin's Thermo-Electric Dehumidifier, and it's good up to about 1100 cubic square feet, I'm sorry. So I I accidentally got this for a review because I thought it was a humidifier, but that's my fault. But I live in California and there's not much humidity. So, I really didn't think that I was going to need this. But Gurin was nice enough to send this to me for my honest and unbiased review, and their shipping was incredibly fast. And when I got this, though, I opened it and I was kind of confused because I thought I got a humidifier, which I need because my daughter has a stuffy nose. But, so, anyways, I didn't think that I was going to need this, but it turns out that I have a lot of humidity in my basement. I have a shower down there. It's like kind of like my man cave, and when I take a shower, you know, I didn't even know that the humidity was going up so much there. I set this in my man cave, and I set it on a timer, and when I came back the next day, it was just filled with water. Not completely filled, um, but a lot of it was, a lot of humidity and that dampness was collected into the reservoir. Um, on Amazon, it's a little less than $45, which is a very good price, uh, considering this is a very quality item. And Gurin says that you can use this in your RV, your boat, and if you live in like the East Coast, I'm sure you're gonna benefit more from this. Um, I really do need a humidifier though, so I'm probably gonna keep looking for that. But in the meantime, in my basement, this is a really good product, and I highly recommend it. Um, Go on Amazon and look for Gurin, Gurin. Again, they're a really good business to communicate with. They're very understanding, um, and their shipping speed is very fast. I can't say anything bad about them. All right, well, thank you for listening to my review.